Hello class, I welcome you all to this session. This session we are going to discuss the last method of goodwill valuation, that is capitalization method. So question number 25. So before discussing this question, I want you to understand how we are going to calculate goodwill by using capitalization method. The first thing that you need to find is the average normal profit earned. So what is the average normal profit earned? So whatever if the profit is given, you need to calculate the average. Then capitalized value of the firm. Now this capitalized value of the firm can be found out by using this formula. Average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Then third one, net asset. All assets. See, net assets is nothing but all assets that is given in the balance sheet asset side minus goodwill, fictitious assets and non-trade investment. So minus goodwill, fictitious assets and non-trade investment at their current value minus, you need to minus the outside liabilities that is given in the balance sheet liability side. Okay, so outside liabilities is nothing but creditors, any loans that needs to be paid to the third party. All these things are called as outside liabilities. Then last step, how to arrive at goodwill. Capitalized value that is being found out in the second step minus net assets that's been found in the third step. So if you do this, you will be getting goodwill. So I'll just read the problem and start doing the question so that you can understand better. From the following information, calculate value of goodwill of the firm by applying capitalization method. Total capital of the firm is rupees 16 lakhs. Normal rate of return is 10%. Profit for the year is rupees 2 lakhs. Now, total capital of the firm is 16. So, this must be the total assets. Am I right? So, there is nothing like goodwill, fictitious assets or non-trade investments are given. So straight away you can take this as net assets. Okay. Then you have normal rate of return. Normal rate of return you have 10% which has to be applied in this part, and then profit for the year is the average profit. So since profit for the series of years are not given, we are assuming this to be the average profit. So I will just apply the formula. So first I will find average normal profit. This step I will skip because directly the profit is given. So solution. So you can see here capitalized value of firm is equal to average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Okay. Now, since average profit is not given because a series of years of profit, for year 1 ivlo profit, year 2 ivlo profit, abdina we can take an average of that. But only one profit is given, so I am just directly applying that profit into 100 divided by 10. So if I do this, I will be getting 20 lakhs as my capitalized value of firm. Okay, and then what is the third step? Third step is the net assets. Since net assets totally it's given, total assets is 16 lakhs. So my goodwill is equal to capitalized value minus net assets. Okay, what is the capitalized value? 20 lakhs. Net assets 16 lakhs. So goodwill value is 4 lakhs. So this is my answer. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you. So goodwill capitalized value minus net assets 20 lakhs minus 16 lakhs. Because net assets, they have not given net assets, they have given just total capital, which means that means the total assets. No other information is given like goodwill, fictitious assets or trade investments. So we are assuming total assets to be the net assets. The next question. From the following particulars, calculate the value of goodwill of a firm by applying capitalization of average profit method. Capitalization of average profit method. So, profits of the last 5 consecutive years ending 31/3/2017. So, you have 54,000, 42,000, 39,000, 67,000 and 59,000. Capitalization rate is 20%. Net assets of the firm is 2 lakhs. So, first step we are going to find out the average profits. Average profit is equal to total profits, that is 54,000 plus 42,000 plus 39,000 plus 67,000 plus 59,000 divided by 5. So if I am doing this, I am getting 52,200. The next step that we are going to find is the capitalized value of firm. Capitalized value of firm is equal to average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Please write everything in full form. So average profit, just now we find 52,200 into 100. What is the normal rate of return? It's given in the question as 20%. So that is the capitalization rate. Okay, normal rate of return is nothing but the capitalization rate. So that rate you need to put it in. So we are going to calculate this. So if I calculate, so I'm getting 2,61,000. 2,61,000 I got. Now next step is goodwill. Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of firm minus net assets. Now just now we have found what is the capitalized value, 2,61,000, and net assets are given directly in the question, 2 lakhs. So my goodwill is 61,000. This is my answer. I hope that this is clear. 61,000 is the goodwill, because 2,61,000 minus 2,61,000. So it's quite simple if you can understand how the sum works. Then the next question, a business has earned average profit of 4 lakhs during the last few years, and the normal rate of return is similar business. The normal rate of return in similar business is 10%. See, this normal rate of return is otherwise called as capitalization rate. Okay, so if either of the thing is given, you need to assume it as normal rate of return in similar business 10%. Find value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method and super profit method if the goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of super profits. Now they are asking us to find goodwill in 2 different methods. One is the capitalization method, another one is the super profit method. Assets of the business were 40 lakhs and its external liability is 7,20,000. So my net assets would be 40 lakhs minus external liability, outside liability, 7,20,000. So 40 minus 7 is 33 minus 20. So 32 lakhs 80,000 is my net assets. Okay. Now first method I am going to find out under capitalization of super profit method. Okay. So capitalization of super profit method. Now in this method, first what we are supposed to find the average profit. Now average profit is given directly in the question. Okay, now I need to find capitalized value of firm. What is the capitalized value of firm? average, so I'll just write the formula, average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Okay, so average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Average profit given in the question is 4 lakhs into 100 divided by normal rate of return is 10. Now 4 lakhs, if I am I will be getting 40. I am getting 40 lakhs. Now this is my capitalized value. Now what is goodwill? Goodwill is equal to 40 lakhs capitalized value minus net assets. So goodwill is equal to capitalized value of firm minus net assets. Capitalized value of firm is 40 lakhs. Net assets, we just now found what is the net assets, 32 lakh 80,000. So 40 lakhs minus 32 lakh 80,000, you get goodwill as 7 lakh 20. Okay, so this is answer under the first division. Now we have to work out for the second division, that is super profit method. So under super profit method, you have how can you find goodwill? Just a recap of how to find under super profit method. Just a recap. We have super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. So I'll take this as better example. So super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. So what is super profit, actual profit? You need to calculate goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. So this is how you need to do it. So actual profit minus normal profit. We need to find what is the normal profit and actual profit. So what is the normal profit? Capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed is nothing but your net assets. How much is the capital actually employed is your net assets. Because assets, total assets minus external liability will be the capital employed. So that is 32 lakhs 80,000 into normal rate of return. If you look into the question, it is 10%. So we are getting 32. So 3,28,000 is the normal profit. Now what is the actual profit? Actual profit is otherwise called as average profit. Okay, since average profit is given in the question, I am using this 4 lakhs. Now what is super profits? Super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. Actual profit is 4 lakhs minus normal profit is 3,28,000. So if I am doing this, I am getting 72,000. If I minus this, I am getting 72,000. Now what is goodwill? Goodwill is equal to super profits into number of years purchase. Number of years purchase. Okay, so how much is the super profit? 72,000. Super profit is 72,000 into number of years purchase. They have given in the question as 3 years purchase. So 3 years. So if I am doing this, I will be getting 2,16,000. So this is the goodwill under part answer. Okay, so this is how you need to calculate this type of problems. It's very easy scoring question, so make sure that you practice correctly. Thank you, class.